what's up and welcome to this highly requested Blackpink JUMP cardio dance workout. If you want more just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. Out now we have a lot of exclusives including Rose Messy, a 30-minute Blackpink dance mashup, and a 1-hour long VIP Blackpink solo artist mashup. Alright, let's get dancing!
I'm not that easy to tame. You should see me under these lights. All my tears turn to ice. That's the sweetest escape. Every time the feeling kicks in, I might stay through the night. Bet you get it now. Rock that didn't I? 잠깐 touch만 누가 누군지. Whoa. Think you're running back? Guess we gonna be. You know I walk it, I'll talk it. 눈 감고 하나, 둘, 셋. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me upping up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Are you not entertained? I ain't gotta explain. I'm with all of my sisters, got him going insane, yeah. You know we on a mission, all gas, no brakes, yeah. Breaking out of this system, breaking out of this cage, yeah. Bet you get enough. So come on with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know I got that that you like. So come on with me, run up, jump. Watch me running up the place. I'm already starting and my girls are on the way. Watch me open up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Blackpink in your area.
Awesome job, guys! The workout complete. If you want more Blackpink, be sure to check out my Patreon link right here. We have a lot of exclusives, including Rose Messy, a 30-minute long-form Blackpink dance workout, and a 1-hour long Blackpink solo artist mashup. Alright, thanks y'all for tuning in, and I will see you next time.